Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of chat not showing on the application of Discord. You will go to settings as you see and you will click. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Discord app and you will click here. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you.